Hi, welcome back to my reload bench. This is dated March 29th of last year. I think I ordered it for St. Patrick's Day, and it took them several weeks to ship it out. So I got it after St. Patrick's Day, obviously, which is March 17th, and I just sort of shoved it off somewhere and never opened it. So let's open it this year. Because I really can't remember what exactly I ordered. I thought I ordered it for St. Patrick's Day, but it took several weeks. There we go. See what we got here. So this is from ASC, Ammunition Storage Components. You can see they sent some stickers, and there's a packing slip. See if it says anything here. Ordered on March 5th, 2018, but not shipped out until March 29th. So what do we got? For St. Patrick's Day, green magazine with a green follower. Look at that. Green magazine with a green follower. Green magazine with a green follower. Another with a green follower. And a low profile one. I know some people say it's a low capacity, but for us it's a low profile, so when we put it on a mount, this doesn't get in the way, because if you for like the Sight and See, I think it's called, MTM makes it. I'm sorry, the Sight and Clean mount that you can use either for doing cleaning or gunsmithing. You can also bring it to the range and use it as a rest, as a bench rest. With the 30-round mags, it won't, AR-15 won't fit, but with the low-profile mag, it will. So, guess what we're getting for St. Patrick's Day this year? I've already got my shopping done. Thanks for watching.